Wow! Welcome to Home Design Revels USA. Today, we're taking you inside a breathtaking $2.8 million modern dream home in Texas. From stunning architecture to luxurious living spaces, every corner of this home has been designed with elegance, comfort, and modern living in mind. Stay with us until the very end, because the backyard is truly unforgettable. From the moment you arrive, this home's striking exterior immediately captures your attention. The combination of premium natural stone, warm wood accents, expansive glass walls, and beautifully landscaped surroundings creates a timeless architectural masterpiece. Every detail has been carefully designed to deliver a perfect first impression. As we approach the grand entrance, the oversized solid wood pivot door instantly sets the tone for what lies inside. Elegant marble steps, designer lighting, and clean architectural lines create a welcoming atmosphere that feels both luxurious and inviting. It's more than just an entrance, it's an experience. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a spectacular double-height living room filled with natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, while the designer fireplace, premium furniture, and sophisticated finishes create a space that's perfect for both relaxing with family and entertaining guests. The gourmet kitchen is truly the heart of this home. A stunning waterfall marble island takes center stage, surrounded by custom cabinetry, premium appliances, elegant lighting, and carefully selected finishes. Whether preparing everyday meals or hosting friends, this kitchen combines beauty with exceptional functionality. Adjacent to the kitchen is a beautifully designed dining area that offers breathtaking views of the landscaped garden through expansive floor-to-ceiling windows. Every meal here becomes a memorable experience, surrounded by natural light, elegant decor, and a peaceful atmosphere. The primary suite serves as a private sanctuary designed for ultimate comfort. Warm textures, soft lighting, premium finishes, and panoramic backyard views create an atmosphere of complete relaxation. Every detail encourages you to slow down and enjoy the luxury of everyday living. Connected to the primary suite is a spa-inspired bathroom featuring a freestanding soaking tub, floor-to-ceiling marble, a luxurious rainfall shower, elegant floating vanities, and premium fixtures. This space transforms your daily routine into a true wellness experience. Working from home has never looked better. This elegant home office offers abundant natural light, custom shelving, minimalistic furnishings, and a peaceful environment that encourages focus, creativity, and productivity. It's the perfect balance between luxury and practicality. Now we arrive at one of the home's most impressive highlights. The beautifully landscaped backyard offers spacious outdoor living areas designed for entertaining, family gatherings, and peaceful evenings. Every corner has been thoughtfully planned to create a private outdoor retreat. The stunning infinity edge swimming pool elevates this property to resort-level luxury. Crystal clear water reflects the surrounding architecture, while elegant lounge spaces invite you to unwind and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. It's the perfect place to experience modern luxury at its finest. As the sun sets, the home transforms into something truly magical. Warm architectural lighting highlights every beautiful detail, creating an atmosphere that's both sophisticated and unforgettable. Thank you for joining us on this incredible luxury home tour. Which space impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, please like this video, subscribe to Home Design Revels USA, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey inside America's most beautiful dream homes. We'll see you in the next episode.